In a separate vote, the nation's highest court voted 5-4, ruling a vaccine mandate can be enforced for 20 million healthcare workers. For some in healthcare, the ruling's a relief. For others, though, it's leaving them questioning their futures. 2 News Oklahoma's Katie Kelleher spoke with some healthcare workers about the decision and the impact it could have moving forward.
They all feel like they either have to choose between their livelihood or a vaccine.
Nurses have a vital role in protecting their patients from the spread of viruses.
Healthcare workers divided after the Supreme Court rules vaccines can be mandated in healthcare facilities that receive Medicare or Medicaid funding.
That does mean that you're going to be subjected to more rigorous masking requirements, and there's going to be this mandatory testing that for the unvaccinated.
That ruling making some in healthcare, like Iris Bohun, unsure of their future. Iris was a nurse at a Tulsa hospital when she says she was fired for not being vaccinated, citing concerns over the safety of the COVID vaccine. She's now working as a nurse in Texas, but says Thursday's ruling could change that for her and others.
I tell you what, if it comes down to it, I will have to step out of this career before I get that vaccine. And let me tell you, in the name of safety, with the amount of nurses willing to back out, that's a very dangerous decision that the courts have made for the sake of Medicare and Medicaid funding.
However, others in healthcare applaud the court's decision. Shelley Wells is the president of the Oklahoma Nurses Association. She says most healthcare facilities already require employees receive other vaccines. And as of last spring, about 80% of Oklahoma nurses were vaccinated. She anticipates that number is even higher now.
I think it will help healthcare facilities and their agencies to provide a safer healthcare environment for patients, families, and their employees alike.
The vaccine mandate for healthcare workers still allows for religious and medical exemptions. Katie Kelleher, 2 News Oklahoma.